Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your ChatGPT server errors. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to try to do is simply force close and reopen the application. If that doesn't work, the server might be experiencing high traffic or an outage, so you will have to wait for them to fix it. Make sure that you check OpenAI's status page. Also, if you are using a browser, make sure that you clear cache and cookies. If you don't know how to do it on an iPhone, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your settings, scroll all the way down to apps, and then scroll all the way down until you find Safari. And tap on that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and scroll one more time in order to find clear history and website data, and simply go ahead and clear that. This is going to delete all the cache and even history, so that is about it. Also, do not use any kind of VPNs. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.